I want to quickly go over how to access the study resources for the course because I've had a couple of you reach out to me. So if you will click on modules and then in Unit 1, here's study aids. Many of those are in the Connect application. If you click on the first one, it'll take you to the ebook. Here I can access the PowerPoints. Here are 10 videos for each chapter learning objective. And then here's a big video using the self-study review problem to kind of go over, the major points in the chapter. You can just watch the lecture or you can also do the review problem for extra practice. But I also want to show you if you access the ebook by clicking on this link. Okay, so then launch the ebook. Okay, and you can see here's the table of contents for chapter 1. You may find that you've already read through some of this, showing how to analyze accounting events, may be more relevant to the homework once I know the elements of the financial statements, but I just want to skip to here to show you at the beginning of each of these learning objectives is this video. Again, I also have a way for you to get access to this video in another link in Canvas, but you can also access the videos here in the ebook. So here's a demonstration problem. I believe this is the actual demonstration problem in the book, and you can access it here. The author of your book has put together a demonstration problem. And I was kind of fast forwarding through that. You can see he's discussing it and then he's showing you how to work it as well. So you can read the book, but you can also see illustrations of how to through these videos. And just an added note here at the end, I realized you could not hear the author talking. I have my headset on, I could hear it, but he is talking in these videos, so you'll be able to hear what he says.